Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. It's your girl Only Best Beauty Patente B. Okay guys, if you're new to my channel, please do it to subscribe. Share this video before we start so that others can join, okay, to see what we are doing here. Okay guys, because I know so many people are looking for this opportunity and they have not seen. So while you're doing that, please do where to hit the subscription button, smash the notification bell if you have not done that, so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Okay, if you have done sharing the video, let's get started. Okay, today we'll be discussing on procedendo in fila or in condizioni di traffico intenso. Okay, that's what we'll be discussing on today, guys. Hope you have your pen and your book with you. It is always important to jot things down. It is always important. Okay, let's get started. Procedendo in fila con altri veicoli. Okay, when you're going with other vehicles, is what we are talking about today. Just like you're seeing in this photo. Okay. Bisogna mantenere ugualmente la distanza di sicurezza e quindi non avvicinarsi troppo ai veicoli che precede. Now it's telling you to maintain an equal distance, safety distance, okay? And you shouldn't move to the vehicle very close to you. The vehicle in front of you, you shouldn't move very close to the vehicle in front of you. Okay, that's what it's trying to tell you. Now it says, non bisogna limitarsi a osservare solamente I veicoli che precede. He said you shouldn't limit your observance to the vehicle in front of you alone. You shouldn't limit your observance only to the vehicle in front of you. Ma occorre porre attenzione anche in lontananza. So you should also pay attention to the distance, not just the one in front of you. You should pay attention to the distance as well. Per controllare la situazione, control the condition of the vehicles, okay? The condition of the traffic, scusa. Now, it doesn't mean that you should go down and start control traffic. Hey, move now, you go. No, it's not your business, okay, guys? But you should just pay attention to what is happening at the front, okay? Per agevolare il traffico, now to facilitate the traffic, è opportuno lasciare liberi gli sbocchi della strada laterale. Now, it says to facilitate this traffic, it's appropriate for you to leave the exits of the road free. The sideways, you have to leave them free. Non cambiare ripetutamente corsia o accelerare bruscamente per sorpassare gli altri veicoli. Now, do not repeatedly change lanes, no. Or accelerate sharply. You accelerate sharply to overtake other vehicles. It is not good. You don't need to do all those things. Okay. No, we do that most of the times where we come from. It's very bad. Okay. In Italy, it's not accepted. You cannot just change lanes repeatedly in the midst of a traffic, or you accelerate sharply just because you want to overtake other vehicles. Okay, no. Non è vero che è opportuno tenere sempre accesa la luce di emergenza o spostarsi il più possibile a sinistra per creare una corsia libera a destra. No, so what I'm trying to tell us that it is not true. It is not true that it's advisable for you to keep your emergency lights on. No. It is not true that you must leave your emergency light, that is your luce di emergenza, your quattro fascia. It's not true that you have to leave it on. Or spostarsi il più possibile a sinistra, or to move as far as possible to the left. Per creare una corsia libera a destra, to create a free lane on the right. You don't need to move to your left to create a free lane on the right. No, that's not what you should do. It's not true, okay? In case in the exam it will come that in this kind of situation, traffico intenso, that you are allowed to move to the left as possible to create a free lane at the right. It is false. So it is not true, guys. In caso di traffico intenso o è necessario sempre lasciare liberi. Now, in case of heavy traffic, okay, or formazioni di code, it's still the same thing, just like formation of queues. When you queue, what they call queue, stay in queue, stay in line, or you see the same thing, okay? È necessario sempre lasciare liberi. It is necessary to always, sempre, always leave freely these particular places I'm about to call. Le emissioni stradali. What are emissioni stradali? The road entries, just like incrocio, which are our junction, confluence, which are confluences, ingressi, the parcheggi, which are parking lots, okay, the entry of parcheggi, where you can park, where other vehicles are being parked. All those places, you don't need to block those places. Even in traffic, even when there's heavy traffic, you have to leave these places freely. A junction, a confluence, ingressi di parcheggi, all these places, you have to leave it freely. Il passaggio a livello, you have to leave it freely, even if there's heavy traffic. E I binari di tram. So all these level crossing and tram tracks, all these places, you have to leave them freely. Attraversamenti pedonali e quelli ciclabili. Now, zebra crossing for those who are on foot, and the one for bicycle. Bicycle crossing and pedoni, those on foot. Their zebra crossing, you have to leave it freely, okay? All this, you have to leave freely. In case there's heavy traffic, you still do not have to block this place. So jot them down, because they're going to ask you, in caso di traffico intenso, all these places, you need to leave them free. You need to leave them free. So even if there's heavy traffic and there's zebra crossing in front of you, you don't need to stay on top of the zebra crossing or because of there's traffic. No, you have to stay before the zebra crossing. You leave that place free so that other people can cross the road. Okay. Same thing applies to junction. Same thing applies to ingressi di parcheggio. That is the entrance of parking lots. Okay. You have to leave those places freely. Okay, guys. This is this for this particular lesson. Please, if you like my lesson, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, it takes nothing, just smash it. Okay, just put it. It doesn't take anything. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I really love you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.